Thank you, Chairman. The e-governance is basically delivering the government services to the citizens' doorstep at the ease, at the reliability, and with the transparency. There is another element of government process, that is doing business with the citizens. That part I will be covering a little bit as part of this panel discussion. Government, in addition to the service delivery system, does a lot of business with the people through various business organizations, mostly in the form of the public sector units. I represent a public sector unit called APIIC. And at APIIC, we primarily does the business with the entrepreneurs and industrial houses. And to bring the happiness of doing business with government, the APIIC has initiated several steps, both within the organization and in improving the delivery of services to its customers, mainly the entrepreneurs. Basically, the entrepreneurs approach APIIC for allotment of the industrial lands for setting up of their industrial houses, industrial units. To make it more convenient and to bring more happiness in doing business with the government agencies, we brought out a system called an online application wherein the entrepreneur can select his industrial plot from about 360 industrial parks spread across the state, and he can submit his application involving all the details in one go, including the payment of EMD and all the processing fees. And once he submits that application, so his application he can track where it is, at what stage it is, because it involves evaluation of the application and it goes through a committee of people for approval of his plot. And at every level, he will be given the track of his application through both email and SMS. And this application is again the process electronically, so before a committee of officers. And the decision making process is also made completely online, and the moment a decision was taken, whether he gets an allotment or called for some other information or rejected his application for want of some critical information or whatever it is, will be automatically informed through him through an SMS and again through an email. And at the end of the fixed period of 15 days, so he will be allotted with a plot and with all the necessary approvals in one go. And compared to earlier system of the offline system, now the people have become more easy in doing business with APIIC, and they can track their applications at any stage, and they can communicate more effectively with the APIIC as an organization. So far, we started this process exactly 18 months before, and in 18 months period, we have done a business of 750 crores through this online process, and we allotted plots worth of 750 crores with an investment size of around 7,000 crores. And by seeing the success of the initial one service, now APIIC had added 7 more services to its customers. through online process. And we are expecting all these services also to be as successful as that of the first service, that is the allotment of plots to the entrepreneurs. And in this process, we have seen several opportunities in the sense collecting the data about the complete industrial unit and the power requirement, water requirement, and the complete data which is around the industrial unit. So we are able to collect it, and the same is being shared with the other line departments like the Transco and the PCB and other departments, so that the entrepreneur need not send the information and again. And in this process, again, we faced some challenges, mainly so within the organization, and then secondly outside the organization. If you look at the within the organization, yes, the preparedness to for the change, especially moving from a regular governmental type of environment to a digital environment, wherein each case worker, each person who handles the subject is responsible for his transparency and then his timelines, and then the way he communicates, the speed at which he communicates with the entrepreneur. So this has been addressed through a series of the internal meetings, and then at the outside the organization, again, the entrepreneurs, though we expect most of them are educated, so but around 25 to 30% are teeny and small entrepreneurs who doesn't have a good formal education, who can understand all these processes. So we addressed this issue by having a help desk at in all our zonal offices, and we are now trying to link with the MeSeva services also, so that the person who is sitting at the help desk can does his the work on behalf of the tiny entrepreneur, and so that the tiny entrepreneur also can access the services and can do the business with APIC at with more ease and more happiness. And there is we have to go a long way in improving the services and the delivery system, and we are geared up to meet all these challenges, and we will tap all the opportunities that are coming in the way. Thank you, sir.